You'd be surprised how many errors spell check doesn't catch. And spell check also can't tell you if you should write out a number or use a numeral. When proofreading, there is just no substitute for the human eye. Welcome to Knowledge City's course, Business Grammar, Spelling, Capitalization, and Numbers. This course will help you catch mistakes that spell check misses by learning the difference between commonly confused words, spell new words more easily by learning how to attach prefixes and suffixes, learn how to form plural and possessive nouns, and how to differentiate between the two to ensure correct spelling, and learn the rules for capitalization and for writing numbers. Avoid misunderstandings caused by incorrect spelling and grammar with our course, Business Grammar, Spelling, Capitalization, and Numbers.